Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for air sign Aquarius, and this reading is for the remaining month of August. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Aquarius, let's see messages for you. What's the messages for you, Aquarius? Empress, Four of Cups, the Tower. I think there is separation between both of you. For some, one person stand by their power and one person feeling depressed for the missed opportunity. They are feeling very sad. One person in this connection is feeling very sad, but one person is stand by their power, because who stand by their power, I think they put a lot of effort in this connection. They are fed up with that and they want to stand by their power this time. But one other person feeling very sad for the missed opportunity. This cup of love which is offered by another person, the Tower moment is take place in past. So let's see what's going on your connection. What's the messages? Ace of Swords, okay, Six of Pentacles, lot of cups, Ten of Wands. Yeah, one person only putting effort in this connection, that person feeling very burdened. I think it's you, Aquarius, but some truth coming out, communication is coming, and I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. One person putting a lot in this connection, but there is no equal give and take. So that is the main issue in this connection. But your person now want to communicate and they want to offer equal give and take. Five of Swords, yeah. Some disagreements between both of you. Page of Cups, communication. Eight of Cups. I think they are not taking action, only they are saying words I am getting, that's why you are walked away. Eight of Cups. Lot of water energy. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sag. Definitely some communication is coming in your way, Aquarius, or you are going to communicate your person, but after the communication there is, I think one person is walked away still. Your person want to offer but not, they are saying in words but not taking any action. Six of Swords. This could be long distance relationship also. Hangman. Yeah, I think one person is stuck, spiritually awakening. Ten of Cups. I think they want to offer this Ten of Cups to you but not taking any action. I am getting, they are saying only words. Only one person putting a lot of effort in this connection. So let's see your person energy, what they are up to. Four of Wands. You both would be twin flames also. 11 and 11. I think Eight of Wands. Yeah, communication. You will get communication. There is in near future there will be back and forth communication between both of you, and things are turning, things are moving faster. Yeah, Three of Pentacles. I think this time your person really want to work on this relationship. Three of Pentacles. Temperance. Yeah, patience and balance is needed. Under the deck is Four of Swords. Yeah, your person thinking about you a lot, and in near future they will communicate you, but here the patience and balance is needed. The temperance is here. I think your person could be Sagittarius also. Final card. Yeah, Seven of Wands. I think there are obstacles in this connection, even though you both want to work on this relationship. I am getting, so even though you are walked away, you still love your person. So when your person truly want to work on this relationship, I think it's up to you to give a chance or not to your person, but patience and balance is needed. One more card. Four of Pentacles. Yes, I think your person is not expressing their feelings to you, but this time maybe he will express his feelings to you. So definitely patience and balance is needed. I am getting the same message again and again. So yeah, 100% you will get communication from your person, and it ups to you, Aquarius. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.